assume they do go to court. It's an open question whether they really will. Who wins? I mean,
well,
given the precedent and given what the Justice Department itself has argued for in the past, who wins that case?
I think the companies have a good shot here. Now, when you walk into court, there are a lot of uncertainties. None of us know what is in the documents. None of us know what the data is showing that the economists have been crunching out. So, there's a lot of information available to the DOJ that is not available to the public. So there are uncertainties, but I think the companies have a good shot here at winning this.
So, Paul Sweeney, talk about it from the media perspective. First of all, how transformative is this deal itself, and also what might this deal say for other deals?
Yeah, well, this is a huge deal, as you said, with debt. It's over $100 billion. It's bringing, the largest telecom company with one of the largest media companies and really cementing the convergence of telecom and media. And to the extent that this gets blocked or faces serious antitrust issues, that could put a damper on more media M&A, because I think what investors have been looking for is more consolidation on the content side of the business. We had Discovery by Scripps Networks earlier this year. This transaction, people are expecting more M&A on the media side of the business. And if this deal gets held up or faces serious scrutiny, it could put a damper on that.
And particularly when you look at things like what was reported to be possible talks between Disney and Fox. Those are two direct competitors. This is not vertical, that's horizontal. So what does it do in terms of pouring cold water onto those sorts of talks?
Absolutely. And then again, I think when the President Trump and the Republican administration came into office, the expectation was that the regulatory environment would become more benign and more open to M&A, and that certainly was driving a lot of the discussion on the media side of the equation, really with big companies, as you mentioned, Fox and Disney and others. So again, this could really put a dampening effect and kind of push the M&A bankers back to the drawing board.
So Jennifer, how do you square with this, with the claim to be deregulatory in the Trump administration?
That's the strangest part about it. There has been a lot of talk in the antitrust community, particularly coming from from Democrats and left-leaning thinkers, that there needs to be some change in the antitrust laws. They need to be reapplied, they need to be broadened, they need to sort of catch up with the digital economy. So what we're seeing here, if in fact this isn't just a one-time political issue and it's sort of a sea change in the way some mergers will be approached, is more of a democratic, a typical democratic platform.